Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse, and for today we're going to unbox my latest package coming from the United States, courtesy of JAC Plus Cargo. I ordered this item in the United States last August 31. It's almost September 1. And this package arrived in Metro Manila September 14. So this package traveled for only 40 days coming from Kentucky, United States. So this is a Levi's pants, 3 pairs of Levi's pants that I ordered from Levi's USA. And this item came all the way from Kentucky. It arrived in the JAC Cargo Plus address in Los Angeles, California after 7 days. So it arrived in Los Angeles in September 7. And this same package, they did not repack. This is the same package that was made by Levi's USA, and it arrived in Metro Manila, which I pick up at SM Mega Mall on the branch of the JAC Cargo on September 15, and we will unbox it. So this item coming from Kentucky, USA, I ordered in August 31. It was shipped in September 1, and it arrived in Los Angeles in September 7, and in September 14, it arrived in Metro Manila, and the following day, I got it from SM Mega Mall. So that's how fast is this parcel, which arrived in Metro Manila from the United States because of JAC Cargo Plus. And we're going to unbox this. I have here 3 501 jeans from Levi's. This is indigo colored. It is black. Dark is the first wash, one wash, denim jeans, 501 denim jeans. It's dark. And then this is the stone wash, 501 jeans. And this is the gray one. So we're going to open one by one. You will see. Here's the gray 501 jeans. The size is 30 waist and 30 inseam. Gray one, 501. With buttons, 5 buttons. So we're going to fold this. The gray 501 jeans. Second one, this is the medium wash, stone wash, 501 jeans. Still a bottom fly. The size is 30 by 29. And this is the last one. Here's the black denim. The size is 30 by 30, 30 waist and 30 inseam. What is good about this 501 jeans that I ordered? They are all 100% cotton. 100% cotton. So if you want to buy a 501 jeans from Levi's, make sure that you buy 100% cotton if you are interested in fading them. Okay, so it is my experience that the 100% cotton Levi's 501 jeans are the best for fading on denims. So there you have it. The fastest delivery of my orders coming from the United States through the Johnny Air Cargo Plus. 40 days record from the time I order it and to the time that I pick it up. I pick up the package at SM Mega Mall. So thank you for watching and bye-bye.